Morning updates. Nifty. The key support levels for the Nifty are placed at 17,550.20, followed by 17,330.80. If the index moves up, the key resistance levels to watch out for are 17,875.63 and 17,950.20. Bank Nifty. The key support levels for the Bank Nifty are placed at 38,950.90 followed by 38,500.30. On the upside, key resistance levels are placed at 39,550.40 and 39,825.40 levels. Sensex. The important level, which will act as crucial support index, is placed at 59,050.10 followed by 58,350.40 on the upside. Key resistance levels are placed at 59,850.30 and 75.40. Result on 3rd February. Adani Trans, ITC Ltd, Titan, GAIL, Adani Power, Lupin, Cadila Health, Radico Khaitan, Wellspun India, Westlife Developers, IPL Ltd, Rolex Rings, Varun Beverages etc. Stocks related news from previous day. Zeal, the company reported lower consolidated profit at 298.98 crore rupees in Q3 financial year 2022 against 398.01 crore rupees in Q3 financial year 2021. Revenue fell to 2,130.44 crore rupees from 2,756.93 crore rupees year-on-year. Tata Consumer Products, the company reported higher consolidated profit at 265.05 crore rupees in Q3 financial year 2022 against 218.17 crore rupees in Q3 financial year 2021. Revenue jumped to 3,208.38 crore rupees from 3,069.56 crore rupees year-on-year. PNB, HSBC Insurance Asia Pacific Holdings to acquire bank's stake in Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance Company. Cupid, the company has received an allocation for 2022 to 2023 from the South African government for supply of male condoms worth 31.94 crore rupees and female condoms worth 68.70 crore rupees. FIIs and Ds deal. Foreign institutional investors FIIs sold the worth of 183.60 crore rupees. Domestic institutional investors Ds bought the worth 425.96 crore rupees in the market on 2 February. Bloomberg stocks to watch. PNB, the bank has received a communication from HSBC Insurance Holdings regarding its intention to buy PNB's stake in Canara HSBC OBC Life Insurance. Gokul Agro, the company is setting up a refinery unit at Krishnapatnam, Andhra Pradesh with proposed capacity of 1400 TPD. The proposed investment for the unit is 200 crore rupees. Max Ventures, the company completed transfer of 171,89,601 shares constituting 41% of the share capital of its subsidiary Max Specialty Films to Toppan Inc. Bharat Dynamics, the company has signed a contract with Indian Army for manufacture and supply of Konkars, M anti-tank guided missiles to the Indian Army worth 3,131.82 crore rupees. Indian Bank, the bank has revised its marginal cost of funds-based lending rates by 0.05% or 5 bps for 3 months and 6 months tenors, effective from Feb. 3. Akla, the company approved appointment of Srinivasan Nadadhur as Chief Financial Officer with effect from May 12, 2022 in place of current SFO Rohitash Gupta, who has opted to step down from the SFO designation from the company and take a leave of sabbatical. CAMS, the company has launched Insta Purchase to enhance the service experience